Hi everyone, my name is Arnav Nikam and I'm here with wBTC, and we're the creators of Wolverine Alpha. Wolverine Alpha is a tool that allows you to deposit stablecoins on Solana, and then that gets automatically traded when our platform finds market inefficiencies on Polymarket. Essentially, it's a predictions market dashboard that scrapes markets available on Polymarket and uses the Infinite Games API to generate live predictions on those markets. The platform allows users to deposit USDC on Solana, and then our system will automatically trade based on those market efficiencies. Some of our key features are market aggregation, which scrapes all Polymarket markets into real time, prediction engine, which is used to gain alpha, find predictions using the model to predict market outcomes, our alpha detection software, which is a side-by-side comparison between our predictions and the current Polymarket prices, Solana integration through low-fee USDC deposits and withdrawals on Solana, and then our automated trading, where users have access to hands-free trading based on the detected opportunities based on our alpha detection model. I'll leave it over to Om to talk a little bit more about how everything works.
Yes. So the first thing a user will do is log in. They'll log in with single sign-on with Google. There we can see all of the available markets that have been scraped from Polymarket. So there's over 1,600 right now. And most of these are either crypto or poly. So if we want to filter by specifically crypto, we can search crypto here, and then we can see all the available markets. And in the table, we have our yes prediction, which is our model's predictions of whether this will happen or not. So it's a 47% chance that this will happen, whether Bitcoin will go. And then the current market price is 56 on Polymarket. And if we want to know more about this specific market, we can click on it and we can get the market description. So this is what will happen, whether it will be up or down. And then we also have the weighted prediction, which is basically average of all validators' predictions. And we have the community prediction, the market price, and then the resolution date. Then we can go back, go to crypto again. And then if we want to do something like refresh, we can do that here. If we want to fetch new markets, basically what this does is it takes any new markets that have been added on Polymarket. So if there's one that's been added just a minute ago, it'll be added here. And our system automatically does this every 15 minutes. And then we can see here that we have our USDC balance, and then the Bitcoin, Solana, and Tau price. So the first thing a user will do is deposit stablecoins. So here we can see USDC Solana address. So if we want to deposit, we can send USDC, and then we can send 50 cents. So it was a success, and then we refresh. There's 50 cents. So from here, our backend system will basically find the biggest alpha that there is. So essentially, it's finding the biggest difference between the yes prediction and market price. So for example, if we have a market that says, will Bitcoin be 90,000 by the end of today? If our model says the yes price will be, a yes prediction will be 75%, and the market is pricing it at only 50%, our automated backend will basically make a trade using Jupyter to swap the USDC into wrapped Bitcoin. And then at the end of the day, when the market ends, it'll swap that wrapped Bitcoin back into USDC. And from there, a user can withdraw their stablecoins. So if we get our address right here, put in 50 cents, and our USDC balance is now 0. And if we check our wallet, we can see that we just received 50 cents 16 seconds ago. And one more thing with withdrawals, all withdrawals are gas-free, so our backend system will pay for all Solana gas fees.
Thank you guys for listening to our project and listening about Wolverine Alpha. Hopefully you'll be able to deposit your own Solana and USDC to earn some money as well. Thank you.